all four of us were laying in the bed. Me, you, DJ, and Dondre. Because Dondre was like, you know, newborn baby. And I think we heard a knock on the door. And you got up, and I said, open the door, because I didn't want to get up, and you opened the door. And then all I see was just, you know, a couple guys come in like this with their stuff like this, and they was walking around. And I don't remember if they said, we ain't looking for you, we ain't looking for you, something like that.
They was like, I know they told me to go sit down. They was like, go sit down.
Yeah.
Go over there and sit down.
Don't say nothing.
It was the one that stayed in there that told me to go sit down, that stayed in there the whole time.
Yeah, and he said, don't say nothing.
Right.
Just sit down, don't say nothing.
Right.
Yeah.
You know, and he said, and then I think one of them said, it's not you, we ain't coming for you, or something like that. And then they went upstairs. What do they do when they go upstairs?
They went upstairs, and remember they tied up the boy. They tied up the boy.
Yeah, they tie up the boy and the lady.
Yeah, they tied up the boy and the lady.
I forget all about that
and
stuff.
I think the lady got out. I think the lady got out, and the boys were still tied up because they had to go get them out or something like that.
Who kids were there that tied up again? The
landlord lady, the landlord.
I know she was tied up, but I don't remember if it was her grandson or her son or
I don't know, but
who them boys were.
They just tied them up.
I don't know, Tristan, but I mean, I'm getting old. I can't remember all that stuff. I'm glad you said something, because I totally forget about that.
And the whole time he standing there, he just like, yo, just standing there. We just sitting there watching TV. I don't know what you was thinking, but all I was like, I'm not looking at.
He told you. He said, don't say nothing. Don't. It's because we're not here for you. Don't cry. Don't scream. Don't say anything. And he like, you know, did something like this, put his hand in his mouth and stuff like that. But then, when they went upstairs, we didn't know what they was doing up there.
Right. I didn't even know nobody was upstairs until when we went upstairs and y'all was talking about it. I was just hustling, and everybody was like, "Oh yeah, it was other people." I was like, "Dang, there was more people here. Are you serious?"
Yes, it was. But why did they even come there?
They came for